Hello.
Hello, hi.
Hello, my name is Feril. I'm come from Indonesia, presently in the city of Surabaya. I got an excitement to interview with native English speaker and look for information about the COVID-19 and about
Okay,
how you can survive.
okay.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Sigid Hassan.
Where do you where do you from?
I am from Pakistan.
Uh, what do you think about COVID-19?
Yeah, I think it's very dangerous virus. It's a man-made virus which is destroying human lives and economy as well. And we have to consider it like a disease, like a cancer. So you can't ignore it through your whole life.
Uh, does COVID-19 interfere with your daily activity for the time being?
Yeah. This COVID-19, due to this COVID-19, I have lost my job. And I also lost my social life because from 3 months I can't go for parties like meeting with friends. I
Mm.
can't go. I have to stay only home. That's it. And I even sometimes I even can't I go for a walk, even a park. So it
Uh,
destroyed my life.
besides disturbing your activity, does COVID-19 also disturb your country?
Countries, yeah. It disrupts my country's activities a lot. Like from 3 months, there are domestic and international flights are cancelled, and they are not operational. So it is a loss, and industries are closed, and people are unemployed, and educational institutes are closed, and the daily wagers are at greater risk because daily wagers are the person who every day work and earn some small amount to run their families, food, everything. So daily wages are very greater risk. And one important thing that our country, Pakistan, have to face 2.5 trillion rupees loss, economy loss, last 3 months.
Uh,
So it done a great damage to my country's activities, a lot.
and is it now your country that things have begun to improve?
Yeah, from last 20 to 30 days, things are improving day by day. Now people are more careful about this virus, that how they have to protect themselves from this virus, and now people are listening government instructions. And from last 20 days, government opened the lockdown,
Uh,
and by giving some SOPs. SOPs are the standards at which people have to follow while working. So people are now caring about this, and government is opening some institutions day by day. So things are going better now.
uh, what do you think to protect yourself from COVID-19?
Yeah, for protection, I think you have to use face mask first and gloves also. While every time you go outside, you have to use face mask and gloves. Secondly, you have to maintain some small distance between you and other person who you are talking about. Like dealings, like you're talking, you have to maintain a social distance.
Social distance.
And third one, I think you wash your hands with soap. After every 20 to 30 minutes, you have to wash your hands. And the more importantly, you have to eat a very hygienic and good food, which contains highly vitamin, because vitamins are very important for your immune system. Like a lemon juice, lemon is very vitamin C food. You have to daily drink lemon juice. Just this is a thing that our government tell us, that because this virus come from China, so Chinese people always use lemon. So lemon is very important thing, I think so.
Uh, and the last question, give a message
Yeah.
for people in the world to avoid COVID-19.
Yeah. Uh, I have to give a message to my whole world through this
Yes.
video link. I said that I have to say that you have to protect yourself from COVID-19
Yeah.
by following the instructions of WHO. WHO, you know WHO, World Health Organization. They set some small things, some instructions. You have to follow these, like face mask and gloves, and maintain social distance. You have to care about these things. And the more important thing I have to give you a message, that is immune system. That a body should be a stronger immune system. If the immune system is very strong, then your body will fight against germs. And this virus is also like a germs, you can say bacteria, infection, something like that. So if your immune system is strong, your body will fight against this, and your recovery rate is 100% there.
Uh,
So you have to eat some good things, which highly contains vitamins and fiber and proteins also. So I think you have to care about immune system and follow the instructions of government, of your country's government, and stay safe, stay home, and I wish you good luck and
yes.
God bless you
Uh,
all. Thank
okay.
you.
Thank you for the time give for me to interview.
No issue, no problem.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank you. See you later.
thank you. Thank you. See you later. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye bye.